Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we are trying a TikTok video and I'll be trying to make the TikTok whipped fluffy coffee. And as you can see, I already mixed my coffee and sugar and hot water in a bowl. So I think I added too much water, but we'll just try and see how this goes. Disclaimer, I am not a coffee drinker, but I just saw some videos and it looked so yummy. That's why I'm trying this video today. So let's see how this goes. I decided to use my mixer to mix this part, but the power went off. NEPA took light if you're in Nigeria, so I had to stop using this and use my hand to beat it. After stirring this for close to 20 minutes, this is what I got. So this was a huge fail. I don't know if I used the wrong coffee or maybe I added too much water, but this is what I got after stirring for a long time. Are you ready to see the final product? So I failed in this one, but no problem. I will try this out again. This time I will try it with a good coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.